So right here I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and this is a camera that I've been using as an action cam, scuba, snorkeling, anything that's high octane like that for the last couple of years, and I absolutely love it. I'm a travel vlogger, I travel and make films full time, and this is a camera that I will always have in my camera bag. I think the stabilization, the hyper smooth 3.0 stabilization is something that is unique to GoPro, and I honestly can't live without it. I can just strap this onto my chest while I'm going running and it would be very smooth. You can use it straight out of the box when you're snorkeling or scuba, and generally you get some really smooth, nice shots. I think that's one of the main advantages of GoPro, is that you can just point and shoot. It really doesn't. Just press the top button and you can start going. Whoop. And of course you also have the front display. So you can see I'm showing you my camera here that I'm filming with, and if I was to do that as a selfie, then I also have the display on the back as well as the front. So whether I'm filming someone like this or I'm vlogging myself, I can see either way. Now, the Time Warp 3.0 feature is also very nice. I've got some great shots out of that. And I also love that it takes up to 5K video and 20 megapixel photos. All in all, I think the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a great piece of kit. I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, good luck, go out and shoot. I'm sure you're gonna love it.